Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your backpack space in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to go to catching and then you need to visit her general store. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the backpack or warehouse expansion. And if you want to increase your backpack space, you need to choose the backpack expansion and it will cost 10 wishing stars. Okay, I'm going to click on this item. Okay, and you can choose how many backpack expansions that you want to buy, and I'm just going to buy one and click on purchase. All right, and it's done. And for your information guys, I'm at the level 18. I don't know if you haven't reached this level, you will be able to buy the backpack expansion or not. But if you want to expand your backpack, you can go to catching and buy the backpack expansion. Okay guys, and that's how you can increase your backpack space in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.